Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Wix to Printful step by step. First, ensure both your Wix store and Printful account are ready. This integration allows you to sell custom products without managing inventory. You can offer a wide range of items, from apparel to home goods, directly through your Wix website. It streamlines your e-commerce operations, saving you valuable time and effort. This setup is crucial for any aspiring online entrepreneur. Now, let's get your Printful account ready. If you don't have one, sign up. Otherwise, simply log in. Once inside your Printful dashboard, look for the Stores section on the left-hand menu. Click on it, and you'll see an option to connect a new store. Choose Wix from the list of available e-commerce platforms. This action initiates the connection process from the Printful side, preparing for the next step. Next, we'll move over to your Wix website. Log into your Wix account and open your site's editor. On the left sidebar, find and click on the App Market icon. In the search bar, type Printful and select the official app. Click Add to Site and follow the prompts to authorize the connection. This step links your Wix store directly to your Printful account, enabling seamless communication. With the connection established, you can now manage your products. You have two main options. Either import your current Wix products into Printful for fulfillment, or design brand new items directly within Printful and push them to your Wix store. The best part is that once a customer places an order on your Wix site, it's automatically sent to Printful for printing and shipping, simplifying your entire workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.